What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today we got another hot video coming to you today. The market is looking well today. The market is pumping, a little bit of excitement going around in the market. We're going to bring to you one of the hottest cryptocurrencies around that have been placed under a lot of folks' radar. A lot of folks are not talking about this coin. We will bring you this coin once again today. But first, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently today, Bitcoin is at $69,300 right now. I saw earlier this morning, Bitcoin did hit $70,189. So that's huge to show the direction that Bitcoin is going in. We know over the past few weeks, Bitcoin have been trading sideways, 66,000, 67,000, so forth, and so on. So today, Bitcoin eclipsing the $70,000 mark. That is huge indicator. Hopefully that is a great sign that we will be continuing to go in the upper direction going into this week and maybe even the week after. You know, sometimes Bitcoin would trade sideways for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. Then after that, it'll start to pump, you know, for like 2 weeks real hard. So if it pumps for, even if we get a good week, a good 8 days of pumping, we could be eclipsing all-time highs. We've seen Bitcoin eclipse $5,000, 8% in 1 day. So we will continue to monitor it. We will continue to watch it. And this is where the excitement kicks in. Currently, the Bitcoin dominance is at 53.2. Bitcoin dominance going up just a little bit, no big deal. We're not worried about it. We understand that the overall market is doing what we want it to do. The Fin Greed Index is at 60. We will continue to monitor that. We'll see if that will start to increase as Bitcoin increases. I would have thought that the Fin Greed Index would have started to go up beyond the 60 point mark, but we'll see. We'll monitor it over the next couple of days. And as we monitor Bitcoin's direction that it continues to move in. But now let's get into the coin of the day. The coin of the day is one of the coins that you guys know all about, Spell Token. Spell Token is the coin that we have been talking about for months. This is one of the coins to where a lot of folks who have conviction in this play, you have been displaying a great deal of patience. This coin was beat down, up under the radar, not moving for so long, but that's how you play your cryptocurrency coins. When you've got a coin that you have conviction in, it may be trading sideways and not moving, but that if you trust that play, you've really been researching that play, you'll stay 10 toes down, go through the process, and you will be rewarded. Currently, Spell Token, the price of Spell Token is 0.001410. This coin is the number 363rd largest cryptocurrency coin in the world right now. Market cap for this coin is $146 million market cap. On the day, this coin is up 30% in 1 day. So that's huge. I think the last time I did a video on Spell Token, maybe a few days ago, the market cap was about $117 million. I mean, this thing is continuing to pump up, is continue to go in the right direction. That's why I say patience is very important. A lot of folks who have been in Spell Token, they have been understanding that patience is required in a coin like this. If you let this coin stay in the oven and cook and get through the right process that needs to be that it needs to go through, now we're seeing Spell Token starting to reward those who have been patiently holding Spell Token. Spell Token is one of these coins that was very successful in the previous cycle. That's why it's real important to understand what kind of coin you're dealing with. It's very good to understand the characteristics and how this coin have performed in previous cycles. So we know this coin in the previous cycle did about a 70x. We know the all-time high for this coin is 3.5 cents. Coin market cap shows the all-time high for this coin at 70 cents. And you know me, I like to use the conservative approach. If we use the conservative approach and we use 3.5 cents, then you're talking about a 35x, which is excellent for any cryptocurrency coin to multiply by 30 or 35x in any bull market. But if this thing gets to the all-time high that CoinMarketCap is displaying at 7 cents, then you're talking about a 65x, 70x from the price it's at right now. And like I mentioned to you before, we are in a super cycle. So things will be heavy, things will be escalating real fast, and things will be a lot more aggressive than it was in previous cycles. In previous cycle, this coin did a 70x. This cycle right here, this coin could really do something greater than that 70x and get past 7 cents. We know this coin is on all the large cryptocurrency exchanges. You can find this coin on crypto.com. You can find it on Binance, Uphold, COINBASE, and whatever cryptocurrency exchange that you hold. And that right there is not to be taken lightly. There's so many coins right now, you could probably only find those coins on Uphold. There's so many coins, you could probably only find it on crypto.com. So the fact that Spell Token is such a popular coin, and it is supported by all the large cryptocurrency exchanges, that is huge. That's saying that this coin is solid, this coin is going to be around, and this coin is vouched for and have been vetted by all of the large cryptocurrency exchanges. So that right here place a lot of comfort in those who are investing in Spell Token, in those who have conviction in Spell Token. That will allow you to rest, give you a little comfort in knowing that, you know what, I've got my money in this coin. I trust this coin. These large exchanges is trusting this coin. I'm going to kick back, dollar cost average into this play if it continues to dip. But nonetheless, I will be holding this coin for the long run, expecting to get my 30, 35x. And if this thing really take on a super cycle of itself, then I will be taking my 70x or 100x from Spell Token. $140 million market cap right now. All this coin will have to get to is a $14 billion market cap to do a 100x from folks who getting in today. There's so many folks who've been in for months, so they will do a 100x a lot more sooner than those who are just getting into Spell Token right now. Like I said, we're at a very exciting point in cryptocurrency, very exciting point in Bitcoin. We understand that mass adoption is happening right before our eyes. A lot of the large institutions have now stepped foot into the cryptocurrency realm. They are buying up Bitcoin left and right. They are also dibbling dabbling in these altcoins because they understand altcoins will multiply more and faster than Bitcoin. They understand the cycles just like we understand the cycles. They understand that Spell Token will multiply much harder than Bitcoin. Bitcoin may multiply by 2 or 3x. Spell Token, you see, we talking about 30x. We saying even if Spell Token don't perform well, what does Spell Token only do at 15x? So these large institutions, they understand that also. They understand altcoin season. They understand the 4-year cycle. The same thing that we should be understanding and have knowledge of. That's why I say it's very important for you to do your research. It's very important for you to study the cycles of Bitcoin, the cycles of cryptocurrency. Come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you. We have a great community of like-minded folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. Press the button. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. Coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.